You can launch and access your Retouch Notes tool by clicking on the Retouch Notes icon found at the bottom of every thumbnail and next to every large and extra large preview. We'll start by taking a look at the Retouch Notes toolbar. First we have the Move tool, which allows you to move the image and to grab and reposition any notes. Next is the Crop tool, which allows you to set crop marks. You can choose no limit crop to freely set crop ratios, or you can choose a preset ratio. We'll choose 8:10 portrait. And now we can set the size of the crop by dragging the crop outline. And the ratio will remain 8:10 portrait. Now we'll use the Note tool to place a marker note on the image. Simply drag and drop a marker note from the toolbar and type your note. For this note, we'll say Darken Highlight, and then hide the note. Now we can enhance the note with the Pen tool. We'll choose gray for the color and the medium-size pen. Then mark the area that we want associated with the marker note. Next we have the Erase Items tool. Clicking this will erase all notes, crops, etc. If you want to delete an individual item, simply drag it to this trash can. You can print out a hard copy or PDF of your Retouch Notes via the Print Notes button. Or, by clicking the Email button, you can email your notes to one or many recipients. We'll be showing these features in detail later in the tutorial. The next button is the Refresh button, which reloads the Notes view, so you can immediately view any changes made by anyone, anywhere that you are collaborating with. This enables a live notes sharing ability, so you can be talking on the phone and working on the same image in real time. At the bottom of the toolbar, you'll find all of the zoom tools. You can zoom in and out with the magnifying glass or by using the slider. You can reset the zoom by clicking the Reset button. Now let's use the slider tool to zoom in to 100% on this 45 megabyte image to place a detailed retouch note. Using the Move tool, you can move around the image to find the exact area you want. You can also navigate via the Map view by dragging the selection box to quickly view different areas of your image, or to check focus. Now let's choose the Pen tool, the color green, and the small pen size to begin marking up detailed retouch notes zoomed in at 100%. Now we'll add a marker note, type in Remove Lines Under Eyes, close the note, then reset the zoom, and that note is done and automatically saved. All changes you make to your notes are automatically saved within a couple of seconds after you make the change. The status is shown at the top of the toolbar. Green means all changes have been saved. Yellow means that changes are being saved. We'll add a pen mark to show the autosave in action. It's yellow now to indicate it is saving, then green to indicate the change has been saved. Do not close the Retouch Notes window while the indicator light is yellow. You may lose your last change. Now we'll delete the mark by dragging it to the trash. If you want to print your Retouch Notes, simply click the Print icon. I'll choose Preview to show how the Retouch Notes print out. The visual notes are printed on the first page, and on the second page, all of the text notes are listed for easy reference. And to email your Retouch Notes, simply click the email icon. Enter any number of emails and an optional personal note. Then click Send. Emailing notes sends your recipient a link to this image's Retouch Notes. They are able to view and print the notes only. If you want someone to be able to edit Retouch Notes, you can invite them as a user and give them permission to edit Retouch Notes. When done working with the Retouch Notes tool, simply close the Retouch Notes window. And to indicate this image has notes, the Retouch Notes icon has become dark blue. And that concludes the Retouch Notes Overview tutorial.